If you're looking for a simple upgrade from your TV's built-in speakers, the LG S30A is honestly one of those small but noticeable improvements. This is a 2.1-channel soundbar with a wireless subwoofer and 140 watts of power. Right away, the biggest win here is dialogue clarity. Voices in movies and YouTube are way clearer, and you're not constantly reaching for the remote to adjust volume. The AI Sound Pro feature is actually useful. It adjusts audio depending on what you're watching, so action scenes hit harder and dialogue stays sharp. And the included subwoofer adds a solid bass punch for its size. Now, the downsides. There's no Dolby Atmos, so you're not getting that immersive overhead cinema feel. And in large open spaces, it can feel a bit limited. But here's the quick verdict. If you want affordable, clean, everyday TV audio for a bedroom or small living room, it's absolutely worth it. If you want full cinema surround sound, look higher up the range.